Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Excalidraw for live collaboration. So navigate to the Excalidraw canvas and start your initial drawing or layout. Now click on share button in the top right corner and this pop-up window will appear and you will see here live collaboration. Click on start session. Now your name here, type it in, and here you have the link which you can send to your team, friends, and so on. And this is pretty much how you can start live session in Excalidraw. And yeah, then when your friends are joined, they will see what you are doing and you will see what they are doing in this Canva. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.